And it's not a change, particularly a change that they say should now amount to a compelling reason. Your Honor, the authorities that have been referred to you are anchored on Diana Salim, which, although properly well quoted and citation given, they opted not to avail. I happen to be conversant with Diana Salim. And Your Honor, the change in Diana Salim, which they are not disclosing to you here, is that Diana Salim had been charged with the offense of murder of one person. Remember the terrorist activities in Lamu. Then investigations revealed the death of other 60 people. Such that the change was from one count of murder to 61 counts of murder. That obviously was a change which can be described with its most compelling reasons. The change here is that all other offenses have been abandoned and they are coming to murder and they now have autopsy results. I urge that you don't at all give in to that suggestion. So what, Your Honor, is next? Your Honor, what is expected of you now is to direct that our client be at liberty, because he has not been charged and there seems to be, other than to persecute him, there seems to be no intention to charge him at all. Secondly, Your Honor, in the event that you feel that you want to give them some more time for whatever reason, though in my view they don't deserve at all, then Your Honor, we urge that you direct